Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Brickmaster Nate, and in celebration of May 4th, I have a special unboxing video of the LEGO Star Wars Red 5 X-Wing Starfighter. So this set was released in 2013 and has 1,559 pieces. I also wanted to give a special thanks to my uncle for letting me unbox this set on my channel. Okay, let's get into the box. So here we have bag 4, bag 1, bag 8, bag 2, bag 4, bag 7, bag 5, a loose tile, bag 3, bag 9, bag 6, bag 10, and this packet of instructions and stickers. Okay, let's get to the speed build. Okay, so first let's take a look at the figure. So R2-D2 has this gray head instead of silver, and he has light blue printing on his head and his body, and he has a lot of these rectangles and vents and everything on his body as well. Now let's take a look at the stand. I really like how it's black because it looks really clean and it doesn't stand out when the ship is on it. And there are some Technic pieces right there, so you can angle it backwards a little bit or just straight. Now let's take a look at the actual ship. It's really cool and I like it a lot, and in the front section here, I really like how it goes from 6 studs wide and it slowly goes down into 4 studs wide over in this section, and it does that by using these hinge pieces right here. The cockpit has this giant clear piece, and there are a lot of really cool details in there. There are a lot of these printed pieces, and there's a sticker right there. And there's also a brick-built chair. And there's also another screen right here. Back here, there are a lot of really cool pieces, and I really like the parts usage because there are a lot of weird and random parts, such as these hinges here. And you can also put R2-D2 in the back section. And he fits right there. Like that. I really like how he can actually go into the ship properly with his legs going that way. Because most other LEGO starships have the astromech with the legs facing this way instead of this way. The wings have these really big stickers on them. And they also have 5 of these red tiles showing that this is Red 5's X-Wing or Luke Skywalker. And these lasers turned out really well. I really like how they used these wheel pieces and these gears, even though the gears don't actually do anything. I think they look really nice as details. And I really like the use of these ratchet joint pieces. And I think they look really good. And they're really accurate to the actual X-Wing. One of my favorite parts of the ship are these sections right here, because they're one of the most accurate ways of portraying this part of the ship that I've seen. And I really like the parts usage here because they use these minifigure accessories for that detail right there. And I think it looks really good. And from any other angle, I think I wouldn't really be able to tell that that was a minifigure accessory. I really like the engines on the back because they use these clip pieces, and there are also these translucent pink pieces. The back right here is really detailed, just like up here. And if you turn the knob, as you can see, the wings will slowly open up into the X position. I think the ship looks really, really nice when the wings are opened up like this. And there are a lot of visible Technic pieces under the wing right here. Underneath, there are some spring pieces, and they're there so the wings don't open up unless you actually turn the knob. That's gonna be it for today's video. I really enjoyed this set and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.